Guess who's back again? I am on my second cruise in 2026. If you are new here, I am Stephanie, and this is Do Stuff with Steph. And I have a goal to take 12 cruises in 2026, mostly on casino deals. But so here we are. I'm on the Quantum of the Seas. We left out of LA today, and it is my first time leaving out of the port of Los Angeles, and it was also my first time here on Quantum of the Seas. So let me give you a quick room tour. Now, I want to preface my room tour by this is a free cruise offer, and my goal is to take 12 cruises this year. And so I did try to royal up, and they didn't take my royal up. That's fine. I will keep my $50 for the casino. But this is the room that I got for port fees and taxes, which came to, I think, like $102. So this is stateroom 3182. And so I'll just give you a quick tour. So here is the door. So as you come in, we'll start from the door. As you come in, on your right, there is a full-length mirror, so you can see yourself. And then this is also an adjoiner room, but it's locked. Thank goodness. And then to your left, you'll see the bathroom. So we'll pop in here, watch your step. Nice dome shower, which I love. I hate a shower curtain. Since it's just me, I've kind of spread out. You have 3 trays there for your goods, shelving underneath to put towels, a sink, and then your other towel station area. Inside the shower, there is the Cell Breeze body shower stuff. I brought my own stuff though. And then I never noticed this before, but there is a plug up here. Is it a plug? No, I thought it was. Dang. Never mind. I thought that was a plug. Also, hooks on the back of the door for your towels. And then back out into the actual cabin. The cabin feels small to me because it doesn't have a balcony, and I'm used to having a balcony. But since it's just me, it's fine. Closet number 1 has 2 racks for hanging stuff, and a nice touch, these shelves on the door. Then there is this couch here right next to it. I believe it pulls out into a sofa bed, but I won't be needing that. Then across from that is the desk. It has 2 outlets. It has this LED mirror that lights up, as well as a little chair. So that's where I'll be sitting doing some work, since I don't have my balcony to sit on. Then we have the dressers. It does have a refrigerator in there. I just have my bottled water in there. And then 2, 4, 5 other functional drawers. Then the other armoire, and I always love like the just decor that they have up. It's just simple and kind of just makes it more homey. Another armoire here. And so this is where the safe is. I'm back in the room because I'm waiting for them to reset the safe. The last person left their code in there. There's 4 cubby shelves and then a small area for hanging things. I'm just putting my dirty clothes there since it's just me. I'm using both of them. And then 2 drawers, which I don't have enough stuff to use both drawers. Then here is the bed, which I had them leave pushed together. So I have a whole big bed, a regular phone, and then there are night lights on either side of the bed. And then the TV, which I never watch TV on a cruise. Let me know if you do. No judgment. I just get too busy. And then instead of a balcony, I have an ocean view window. And I'm on the 3rd deck, so I'm really low, close to the water. So I don't know how I feel about that yet. Yes, earlier today when I was looking out the window, it was fine, but we were also not moving. So we'll see how that goes. But at least I have a view outside. I don't think I could do complete interior, but here is the whole kind of panoramic view of the room. Let me know if you would stay here or if you only do balconies.